Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about Kaya Naturals Ultra Testosterone Support Supplement. You should buy these capsules or not. Does it really work? And how much time it will take to give you results, okay? So basically in today's time, naturally boosting your testosterone and naturally testosterone support supplements are very common, and there are thousands of brands is available in the market, and each and every brand claims their product are very good. So does it really work? You should buy or not, and how much time it will take to give you results. So basically when we checking their nutrition information, you can see like in the you can like supplement, there is magnesium is the main ingredient, and tribulus tertiaris, and horny goatweed, and long jack, and there are some ingredient also. So all these ingredient is very good, but it will not give you results overnight. You have to take this supplement at least for 4 weeks is the minimum time period. In some cases it can take up to like 8 weeks, okay? So after 4 weeks you will see changes in your body, like it will increase your energy level, it will increase your stamina, and it will provide strength in your muscles, and it will also boost your testosterone, okay? So when testosterone boost, your male vitality function is also improved. So you can take this supplement and you can get the benefits, but the results will not come overnight. It will take approx like 4 to 8 weeks time period, okay? So this is the thing. Now if we talk about like the pricing, basically $9 or $10 is the pricing. So pricing is also, you can like, reasonable, so you can buy this product. But before using this product, you need to consult your healthcare provider, or you need to consult your personal fitness coach if you have any issues related to your health complications, okay? Without doctor consultation you should not try, okay? So these are the things. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.